All right, in this video, we're going to talk about CanSlim, CANSLIM, and the importance of using that as a discriminator to pick your stocks, and the elements that I use out of CanSlim moving forward.
So this is buy the rumor, sell the news. So this is kind of like how I used to. This is how I say people should build their portfolio. And the formula I got from a guy back when I was working in the basement at Brad, he gave me CanSlim. So CanSlim is a good formula to discriminate and pull out stocks that you want to buy. And how I kind of like, I only use, I dumb it down for myself, C student stuff. The new product, the leader, and institutional sponsorship, right? So it's either a leader or a lagger. So back to Tesla and Lucid. Who's the leader?
Tesla.
We buy winners. We buy winners. It's just that easy. We buy winners. I bet on winners. But Lucid can be a good investment because
it's cheaper.
It's cheaper. I think it's still room for Lucid. I still think it's room for Lucid because Lucid is affiliated with Ford. You see what I'm saying? So, but Ford is trashed. So, they still got a lot of money behind Ford, but it's still Ford. Mm-hmm. And why I say what would I say, like I shit on companies. It's not because I just don't like them. It's just because I know the facts. Ford pay out $200 million a month in pensions. $200 million every month. So, and it just can't get right. So that's CanSlim right there. It's a formula from, people, NBA people use it. They use SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. They can use that discriminator to pick stocks. But I use the abridged version of this, and I try to keep it simple. I don't want to get too far in the weeds when it comes to numbers, because you have what do they call it? Analysis paralysis. Mm-hmm. You got so much data, which we have. We have data coming from Instagram, Twitter, Google, and then you can't make a decision. So I try to.
Are there any podcasts that you recommend on this stuff that you? Your own podcast, but is there somebody you grew up listening to?
I watched Jim Cramer. People shit on Jim Cramer really hard. I like Jim Cramer because he kind of bring you into the what's what. I like what's his name? Dave Ramsey.
Yeah.
I don't swear by Dave Ramsey, but he on like far as the basics, he gets you there.
I'm a Dave Ramsey disciple.
Huh?
I'm a Dave Ramsey disciple. That's what kind of grew up on, and that's what got me out of debt. Yeah,
it's a whole faction of guys that hate Dave Ramsey on Twitter. I'm on Twitter like nonstop with the finance stuff.
Okay.
A lot of guys giving out some real good information on Twitter.
We want to follow who you follow.
But the guys is like, they'll come on like it was a guy, I want to say IPO whisperer. Man, like he just fell off. Like if you go to jail, like he used to give out some of the best information. Like I don't know where like did he get caught up in the SEC charge? I was like, where he went? I have to give you I follow car dealership guy. I know it has nothing to do with stocks, but as far as the car shit, man, he's on it. I'm trying to think. Like I follow Jim Cramer on Twitter. It's quite a few, man. I have to text it to you. It's quite a few guys I follow. Okay. On Twitter. See, look, I got Jim Cramer on this next slide. Like I love Jim Cramer. People hate on Jim. So this is fame. What used to be fame, but you gotta add NVIDIA and Tesla to that now. And see on this slide, talk about watch, Walmart, Amazon, the big retailers, Target, Brash, Costco, and Home Depot. I like Home Depot.
You don't like Target?
I just don't like 2023 was rough for them with the woke shit. I'll buy Walmart first. I would buy Dollar General before both of them, believe it or not. A lot of people know Dollar General's ran it up on the stock side. Y'all got any questions on that?
No, good. It's great.